In this video, I want to share with you 5 low competition awareness niches for the month of June, and also share with you an update for my memberships for people that are in other countries. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those low competition awareness niches for June, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Friday, May 10th, 5:13 p.m., and I'm sitting at 41 sales, $58 in royalties. That is going to put me actually over $1,000 already for the month, and 662 sales for the month. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so before I share with you the update for the members in other countries, I'm just going to go ahead and give you the free content first so you guys can get some value. So we got June coming up next month, and there's a lot of awareness niches or observances that are going to be coming up. Now, there's some big ones, but you know, those are good, but in my opinion, they're a little too competitive. So I would try and focus on some of these low competition ones so that you can actually get found and seen. And the first low competition awareness niche to have for you for the month of June is going to be Aphasia. And since I can never pronounce these right, I actually use good old Google to pronounce it for us.
Aphasia. Aphasia.
Aphasia. Okay, so there we go. So that's the first one. And we can see right here that Aphasia, June is Aphasia Awareness Month. And it's always a good idea to kind of just do a quick Google check to see who this affects. It's going to help you design better, because if something only affects like older people or younger people, you know, you don't want to do like, you know, I wear gray for grandma when it only affects like children, for example. So it's just always a good idea just to do a quick Google check to see who it affects. And right here we're going to see most people who have aphasia are middle age or older, but anyone can acquire it, including young children. So this affects everybody. And when we go to Merch Informer and we type in aphasia awareness, we're going to see that there's only 202 results. Productor also says there's 202 results, so low in competition. And we can see that this niche is selling. They all have BSRs, a lot of them have reviews. Pretty simple to design for. You know, you can cross niche this with demographics if you want. The color of the ribbon looks like it is gray or silver, so that's something to take note of. And then if you go to Creative Fabrica and type in aphasia awareness, there's actually a couple designs that you can use that come with the print-on-demand special license. You can just upload these onto like Redbubble, Etsy, and Merch by Amazon as well. All right, so that is the first low competition niche to have for you for June, and it is aphasia. And then the next low competition awareness niche to have for you for June is Antiphospholipid. I think I'm saying it right. I actually can pronounce it right here.
Antiphospholipid. Antiphospholipid.
All right, so that's how you say it. And right here we're going to see June is Antiphospholipid Syndrome, or APS Awareness Month. And it looks like this affects people of all ages, including children and babies, but most people are diagnosed with APS between 20 and 50, and it affects 3 to 5 times as many women as men, so that's something to take note of. When we go to Merch Informer, we type in Antiphospholipid Syndrome. We're going to see that there's very little competition, only 49 results for this, but we can see that it is selling. So right here, BSR, 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 reviews, and you know, this one's selling at $22.99, so that's a nice like $8 to $8.50 royalty. Looks like the color for this awareness or the ribbon is going to be burgundy, so that's also something that you want to take note of. And when I went to Creative Fabrica and typed in Antiphospholipid Syndrome, there's actually a couple designs right here and some clip art that you can use. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in the description. So that is the second niche that I have for you. And then the third low competition awareness niche that I have for you for June is going to be Cytomegalovirus. Let's see how it is pronounced.
Cytomegalovirus. Cytomegalovirus.
Okay, so that's how you say it, and it is National Cytomegalovirus Awareness Month is an annual observance held in June. And we can see who it affects, most dangerous in pregnancy and for those with weakened immune systems, like people living with HIV or those who've had an organ or stem cell transplant. When we go to Merch Informer, we're going to see CMV. That's just another way to say it, just like abbreviated. So that would be another word or keyword that you want to put into your title. We're going to see only 33 results, super low in competition. We'd also see right here 33 results, and it is selling. You know, barely any competition selling. Now these BSRs will get lower as we get closer to the month of June. And again, it looks like the color of this ribbon is silver or gray. And when we go to Creative Fabrica, I was actually surprised. I didn't think I'd find anything for this keyword, but I actually found 5 designs right here that come with the print on demand special license that you can use for your merch by Amazon business. So that's the third niche to have for you. And then the next low competition niche to have for you for June is going to be scoliosis. Now this one I know how to say, but let's just listen to it anyway. So pretty easy to pronounce. And when we go to Google to see when is Scoliosis Awareness Month, we're going to see June is National Scoliosis Awareness Month. And we can see who this affects. It can affect, or anyone can get scoliosis. However, idiopathic scoliosis, which is the most common type, typically occurs in children age 11 and older. When we go to Merch Informer, we're going to see that scoliosis awareness, that keyword, we're seeing 582 results, so a little more competitive than the other niches that I showed you, but still under 1,000, which is usually my benchmark. We're going to see what the designs look like. So obviously the color for this niche is going to be green, so you want to think about that. But a lot of BSRs, a lot of designs with reviews. So this looks like another good one for us. And when we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see there's actually a lot of designs here that you can get that look pretty good. Like this one right here looks good. These ones look good as well. And they all come with the print on demand special license. So if you're interested, you can take a look at Creative Fabrica. But that is the fourth, I believe the fourth low competition awareness niche to have for you for the month of June. And then the next niche to have for you is going to be Scleroderma. I think I'm saying it right. Let's take a look.
Scleroderma.
Scleroderma. And Scleroderma Awareness Month right here we can see is in June. And this is going to affect, like right here it's going to say it affects more women than men. And when we go to Merch Informer, we're going to see that the competition for this is actually pretty low, only 184 results. The color for this awareness, or for Scleroderma, is going to be teal. You can see the flag is pretty popular, also the elephants with the butterfly. Crossing shit with demographics like mom, daughter, grandma, because this affects more women than men, as we just saw. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, you can see there's actually some designs that come with the print on demand special license. So again, take a look if you're interested. But that is the fifth, and I actually have one more for you, so just hang tight. And then the last low competition awareness niche to have for you for June is going to be sickle cell. That's pretty easy to pronounce.
Sickle cell.
And we can see that Wednesday, June 19th, is going to be World Sickle Cell Day. So it's in June. And this actually affects more African Americans than other races. Right here we're going to see sickle cell disease is more common in certain ethnic groups. And when we go to Merch Informer, sickle cell awareness competition is 231 results. The color for this awareness or ribbon is going to be red or burgundy. We can see selling reviews. When I went to Creative Fabric, I couldn't really find the best designs. Again, it looks like this seller. Those two you could use, but some of the other ones don't really look like the best, but maybe you can find something. But those are the niches I have for you that are low in competition in the awareness niche that will be trending next month in June. Okay, so now I want to talk about some resources I offer to help you get similar sales like me right here. So if you go to my YouTube channel, to my YouTube video right here, and you click on this join button, and let me just pause the video.
Are you ready?
So you don't hear it. You can actually become a member, and some of the benefits that you're going to get, like the bronze is just like if you just want to support the free content that I offer. You also get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. But the real value, and I'm not offering gold right now, maybe in the future, but just silver. The real value in being a member is going to be in the silver package, and what that is going to get you is going to get you exclusive members only videos. And basically that's going to get you 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. It's going to come out on Monday, every Monday, 6 a.m. Central. And basically it's going to be a video just full of like 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches or evergreen phrases that you can use to make designs for. All right, so it's basically just going to be niches. Then also what I've been doing lately, I've been putting out a daily post on my YouTube channel only for members, talking about like trending niches. Now there has to be something trending for me to post about it, but I made one yesterday, I made one today, and if there's something that I see trending tomorrow, I will also make a post for it as well. So basically you'll get kind of like market updates every day in post, but you're going to get these exclusive member only videos. All right, it's going to be 4 a month, 1 a week, every Monday at 6 a.m. Central Time. Now a lot of people have been messaging me saying they want to sign up, but they can't because it's not allowed in their country, and I didn't know that. I don't know how to fix that. But what I've done is I've created a Patreon page. I tried to do it with Gumroad, but it was just too confusing, so I just made one with Patreon, and it's the exact same thing, right? You're going to get the exact same content. So again, 4 videos a month, once a week, every Monday. And I forgot to say it's $7 a month. So it's the same price whether you're on YouTube or whether you're on Patreon. It's the same thing, same price, same everything. I'm just offering it on Patreon because a lot of people are saying they weren't able to sign up on YouTube. It's not available in their country. All right, so the link for the Patreon will be in the description. So if the YouTube join button is not available in your country, check out the Patreon if you want to sign up. Again, it's the exact same thing, just on Patreon. All right. And then if you're a beginner on Merch by Amazon and you're struggling to get sales like you're in tier 10 or lower than tier 100, or you're only making like less than $100 a month, struggling to get sales, check out this course that I have. It's a Merch by Amazon masterclass, a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. Really good for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or just beginners. I will teach you how I get sales like this right here. It's on Gumroad. It's only $20. If you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. And then if you just want the free content from the video, you can just subscribe. Subscribing is free. I put out like 3 videos a week talking about like niches, prompts, anything related to do with print on demand. All right, so those are the 3 things that I offer. Also, you can check out Creative Fabrica as well. That is this link right here, Creative Fabrica. If you want to sign up with them, it's an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission. But they got great. That's where I get all my fonts, all my clip art, and a lot of my designs. All right, so if you're interested in that, check it out. But if not, I'm going to go ahead and watch the Knicks game. I don't know if you guys like basketball a lot, but I think I have a gambling problem. I've been losing a lot of money on NBA, so I had to delete the app. But I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the game. No bets tonight, and hopefully the Knicks can win because they have been pretty exciting to watch. So that's the video for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.